G'day everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've watched our videos before, you'll notice that we always love getting away in our motorhome and we love taking our e-bikes with us. When we do get away and the weather's good, we usually jump on our e-bikes every day. We love exploring all the new cycleways as well as some of the old and existing cycleways. This allows us to get out quickly and easily, checking out all the beaches, rivers and canals. We all love the beach, but unfortunately one of our little family members used to miss out. Our little dog Spencer would have to stay home and get babysat while we went out having fun in the sun. A few times there we did take our bike trailer, which was really good. It clipped onto our bike quite easily, but it was a bit big and bulky to carry in the motorhome. So we recently purchased the BUDDYRIDER. This does the same job as the trailer, but takes up a lot less room. It's kind of like a baby capsule for a dog, and the instructions say it suits dogs up to 11 kilos. You can see by the size of the box that it's a lot smaller than the trailer and it's a lot more compact and easily to store, especially in a small motorhome like ours or a small camper van. And naturally it came with all the tools and accessories to put it all together. It seemed to take me about half an hour in full. I also paid an extra $20 and got this nice little padded seat and surround, which I think makes my little dog feel a bit more secure when he's riding around. It has Velcro connections to itself and also Velcro connections to the base of the little capsule. Only takes about 10 seconds to install. The Ride Buddy connects to the bike via the seat post here, and as you can see there's 4 main bolts that you just nip up hand tight, get it in the correct position that you want, and then completely tighten it up using the Allen key that's provided in the pack. I leave this connection piece on the bike as it's tucked in nicely under the seat, and then whenever I want to go for a ride, I just connect the Ride Buddy capsule to this little connection point with a spring-loaded pin. As you can see in the video here, when I do want to take the Ride Buddy out, I just flip up the back and I undo a little dial underneath which pushes up the little platform at the front, all ready for Spencer to go for his ride. You can see there's a little sliding track here, and when you unloosen that bolt you can adjust it to the position that suits, but I usually take it to the highest position. I think Spencer likes it that way. Now as you can see there's a number of different positions where you can locate the capsule along the BUDDYRIDER bar, and I think the main thing is just to make sure that it fits snugly in between your seat and your handlebars. This warning here just reminds us that it's not a child capsule. And as you can see here, to connect it to the bike, it's just placing the main bar through the little connection point, and the hole will line up where you can fit the spring-loaded pin in, and that's got a nice little locking circlip, so the frame of the BUDDYRIDER doesn't ever come out. So now with it all connected, you can see in the little picture here that it's about 1 inch or 2 in front of the seat, and it's also another nice little 2 to 3 inch gap between the handlebars. I've got this nice little padded section here that fits in, and then the Velcro mounted seat and side surround just slips together like this and fits snugly within the frame itself. And I think it's a definite bonus getting this. Only $20 more, but it certainly makes the dog feel a little bit more secure. And as you can see here, there's also a nice little harness for the dog. It's got 4 connection points, sort of clips on around the dog's neck, and has 4 adjustable straps all around to suit the size of your dog. See the gap between the seat and the handlebars? You want to make sure before you ride that you can turn the handlebars and none of the capsule will interfere with the steering of the bike, which, as you can see here, it's been a successful mission for me. This is actually the first test drive I did with Spencer, and to my surprise, he didn't seem nervous, he didn't seem scared, he just sat there and took it all in. I think he likes the fact that the 2 arms are either side of him, so it's a nice secure fit, and unlike the trailer, when I'm riding, I can keep an eye on him and talk to him. The BUDDYRIDER was just under $300, I think it was about $280 posted, and now this means that Spencer can enjoy our little trips along the rivers, canals and beaches once again, and enjoy the outdoors with us. So if you have any questions that I haven't covered, please leave any questions or feedback in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing with others. Thanks again for watching.